Hi guys, how are you guys today? Today we're going to be doing a wig install. As you see, my hair is already braided and I've already oiled it. Around my edges, smooth them down, and use the blow dryer to set them in place. Here I am applying my cap. I already cut out my stocking don't lift. I'm blow drying it, dry it, set it down. And now I'm going to apply my bold hold. Now I'm going to use my small scissors. I'm going to cut the excess stocking off. So I'm going to cut straight up the middle and then take it all the way around. And this is the second application of the bow hold. As you can see, my back is fine for me. It's laying down, which is fine. And while it's drying, I'm going to apply some makeup to the stocking, to the cap. Same color as me. This is the second application. I'm a sweater, so I like to make sure I melt it down. I'm going for a third application. Excuse me. Like I said, guys, I am a sweater. When I put on hair, I sweat. So I just want to make sure that it's not going to lift. So yeah, and I make sure that my sides is down because wigs have a thing with lifting on the sides first. So yeah, so I'm using my wooden stick to apply it. And I'm going to wait on it to dry before I lay down my wig. It has to be clear. Now I'm cutting off the excess lace front. I'm using my small scissors to do that, and I'm cutting as close as I can to the glue. So you can use your scissors, but make sure you kind of cut it jagged, like going jaggedy, because you don't want it to be a straight line. You want it to make kind of look like it's coming out of your scalp. Now I'm gonna apply my wax, and then I'm gonna just use my straightening comb that plugs up and go over the hair, because I tangled it myself. When I got this wig out, it had no tangles and nothing, flawlessly, okay? But I have not had this hair this long, so I kind of got it a little tangled and this and that, but I'll get with the program, I guess.